Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we start with some food for the animals. Yeah, let's buy some food, take to the animals. Let's go deliver this to the farm. Let's go. There are some ducks here. We still eat the kienyeji food, some kienyeji chicken. And we have a very, very noisy dog over here. His name is Dutch. Forgot to get his food, but I'll get it. Sup, Dutch? Sup, buddy? You're good. Let's go, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. This is our dog. So guys, today it's just a random Saturday. Let me show you what I do on a random Saturday. So first of all, this guy is so dirty, so we need to head out to the car wash, get it cleaned. Let's go, guys. So guys, it's currently 2 p.m. and I'm on my way to the car wash. Let's go clean the car. Remember, cleanliness is next to godliness. Unfortunately, the plan has changed. Man. I don't need to go to the car wash anymore. I think the car is clean. Just head out to town and have some fun, guys. Stay tuned. Let's go, guys. Let's see what's up. Random Saturday in Nairobi, Kenya. Yeah, currently at Masai Lodge, heading to Nairobi CBD. Let's go. Let's go to the shop and get some energy.
City, Liverpool, Arsenal, going to Thompson Park. You're not sure? And we are worried.
Nairobi, Kanairo.
The game kicks off at exactly 29 minutes. Eric, do you have anything to say? Prediction?
Currently in town, guys, at the parking. It's time to go have some fun. Let's go.
Niaje.
Hello, welcome to Tony.
Neza pata chicken wrap and
Yeah?
one chicken wrap,
Yeah?
chicken burger,
Okay.
and 2 water.
With some chips on the side.
Yes.
Okay, so chicken wrap na chips, chicken burger na chips.
No, just burger without chips.
Burger without chips.
Yeah.
Would you like to try a barbecue chicken wrap?
No.
Just the normal chicken wrap.
You want barbecue or normal?
Normal. So 1 chicken wrap, 1 chicken burger, 1 chip, and then 2 water.
Yes.
Okay. Anything else?
No.
This is the next one we can pick up.
So.
Welcome to the animal orphanage. This is the Nairobi orphanage, and we have two lionesses over there just chilling. That's a lion. Yeah, that's a crazy one. Crazy animal. That's a hyena. Ako raundi mwenda. Striped hyena. We have another hyena over here. This is the laughing hyena, like depicted in the Lion King. Mfasa. Usichukue simu yangu baba. Usichukue phone. Ni aje? Wewe. That guy almost took my phone. That's a warthog. His name has war, so he means war. That's a baboon. Two kids. There's a guy there playing with a warthog. That's a warthog. So guys, I want to fight this warthog. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Guess what, my people? We have a cheetah. Guys, we have a cheetah. Oh guys, let's go watch a movie.
Come on, get your stuff. Let's go.
YouTube, don't copyright this.